I'm going to spend the next 24 hours in North America's largest mall. And I'll be showing you places like here, 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 here.
And even here.
Wait, actually, have you seen that? Edmonton is getting 15 centimeters of snow within the next 24 hours. So not here. 24 hours in North America's largest mall starts right now. Of all the major cities in North America, none are found more north than Edmonton. This city is known as the gateway to the north, and with that title comes the obvious consequence of having extremely cold and long winters, which provides a huge strain on whoever lives here's mental health. That's why the city built this bad boy, a 5.3 million square foot mall with everything you need to escape an Arctic winter.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the Fantasyland Hotel.
Thank you, thank you. Well, let's get this tour started by showing you the hotel we're gonna be staying in. Wow. Oh my God. This is the space room in the Fantasyland Hotel. And this is not a split screen. These are two huge flat screen TVs. And that's not the only cool thing. If you take a little walk up here, you've got a full-blown jacuzzi. Neither Mike nor me are going to be sleeping on this double bed because right behind me are space bunk beds. Check this out. If I come all the way into the bed and I turn the lights on, it's like we're in a real space capsule. There's one more surprise if you press the power button here. The room lights up and it starts changing colors. Everything looks great here, and wow, if this is an indication of what's about to come in the mall, well then I am real excited. Let's go! Space room, space room, space room.
There's so much space for activities.
Like what?
I suppose we could, if we put our heads together, we maybe could come up with a game of hide and go seek or something.
I wonder where Mike could be.
Ah! Oh, that's my bag.
He's good. He's real good.
5 Mississippi, ready or not, here I come.
Okay, don't say anything yet.
No feet sticking out. Ah! I was counting in the bathroom, so he's not in there. Not in the closet. Okay, now he's actually fooled me. There's only one spot left in here that could be. Wait, did he leave? Is he out of the hotel room? Okay, I officially give up. Come on out. What? What?
How did you not find me?
I am legitimately shocked. That's amazing. I'm amazed.
Thanks.
So you win 1 day, 24 hours in West Edmonton.
Whoa! Space room, space room, space room, space. It's kind of funny. I feel like I'm walking in my house because I'm staying here for the next 24 hours. But the reality is my home is the biggest mall in North America. So there's hundreds of people here. This is a media pass. It gives me free access to all of the attractions in the West Edmonton Mall. And I get one of these because I have partnered with the West Edmonton Mall for the entirety of this video. So now that I have access to all the attractions, I better go start with the first one. I think first we'll start off with a little bit of amusement.
World's largest indoor tower ride.
Oh no, please. Okay, I think I'm all good with the roller coaster, so
Let's try something else.
like go-karting. And this is actually Canada's only indoor double layered go-karting track, meaning there's a track here and there's the same track over here. You can tell that this guy wants out. He's the only one on the glass and everyone else is just hanging out, having a coffee or something. Well, this isn't a massive aquarium, but the fact that there is one in this mall is insanely impressive. So we're heading on to Bourbon Street, which is a famous street in New Orleans, Louisiana, and they have recreated the look and feel of it. So we're gonna try and figure out which restaurant we'd like to eat at. And the choice that we've made is Cajun chicken with potato salad and coleslaw. Now, I've never been to Louisiana. I certainly don't know what Bourbon Street actually looks like, but I love the effort. And it makes you think if that is the real reason why this mall was built in the first place. And I think it is. I think they're trying to provide an escape for Edmontonians from long, harsh winters to just be in a place that reminds them of anything but home. This is the Europa Boulevard. Of course, it's got the European theme, and I'm trying to figure out where in Europe this has been modeled after. And I'm pretty sure it's Milan. Now, in terms of the two hallways, well, that could really be anywhere, especially the mini golf that's right below us. And actually, I'd like to play around. So the hole is over there, and look where my ball is. I'm gonna try to get creative here.
Oh, worked pretty well.
Let's go! Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh! Hole in one!
It's been a long and amazing night so far, and I think it's getting even better because we are the only ones left in the mall, and there's Christmas music blasting from the speakers. Does this not feel like we're in Home Alone?
Kinda. I feel like we shouldn't be here.
But I do feel like even though we're enjoying just walking, we should also be taking advantage of the fact that we're alone in the mall. No way, it's way too cold. Oh, it's fully locked.
I think that's it. We're walking back to the hotel outside. Wait, we have to walk around North America's largest mall out in the snow.
Well, that was fun, and now we're back in the room, and even though there's been a lot of entertainment, I forgot that there's actually a lot of entertainment here in the room.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Oh, right.
This is the way to escape an Alberta winter. Hot tub in your own room.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's hot.
Best part of it is, we each get our own TV. My remote's not working.
Mine isn't either.
Whenever I click it, that one changes.
And this is changing when I... Do we have the wrong remote?
Let's try that.
Oh.
The only thing that could make tonight better is if we have popcorn.
If we had, buddy. I've got enough popcorn for everyone.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good night.
Good night.
So we've decided to dress up in vintage clothing, and I've picked the theme of the Roaring 20s. Mike has picked the theme of dressy Western. The premise is basically just picking an outfit that you really want to wear from a different era. Then Alex dresses you up, brings you to this photo shoot spot, and takes a different set of pictures of you with different props, again, based on the era you fit. But the craziest thing is, I'm actually not in costume. This is just what I dress like on a Tuesday morning. So the Edmonton Mall has a gym, but I didn't want to use it to go and work out today. Instead, I wanted to be a little bit more creative and use their full-size, yes, full-size NHL ice rink. Mike, you look like Wayne Gretzky. Mike is vintage Edmonton Oilers today.
Not classic. I need an old school jersey.
That flow.
Nice one.
Wow, that was fun. You want to go eat something?
Yeah, but what are our options?
Do you want to go to Bourbon Street? Okay, fine. But what about Chinatown?
Not what I'm looking for.
Okay, how about I bring you to Europe and take you to a little cafe?
Yeah, that sounds great, but they're closed. Can we go somewhere else?
Okay, so this is the first dish. So this one is the Mexican-style grilled shrimp.
This is Rodney, the head chef at L2, which is the restaurant that is attached to our hotel in the mall. Today, he's sampling a few winter menu items for us.
This was inspired by my trip to Mexico with my family. I was doing IT for years.
What sparked the change to get into cooking?
I was just working for like a marketing IT company and just couldn't do it. I think fate stepped in, they laid me off and I was like, I can't go back. I was driving the car with one of my best friends and I was like, I can't do IT anymore. And he's like, I know exactly what you should do. And he didn't have to say anything. And I was just like, yeah, I should cook. I found my first cooking job ever at like 25 and I haven't looked back ever since, right?
So are we the first customers to be trying this?
Yes.
Wow, that was an incredible experience. But hey, you want to go to the water park?
Yes.
All right, so our last stop is going to be at none other than the World Water Park. Yeah, there's a full-blown water park in this mall. So just so you know, this is the wave pool, that is the water park, and the window right there is the mall. This is our sunset right here. The sun is shining right down there. There's a nice little golden glow. It's perfect. Here come the waves though. So you know what? This has been a really good 24 hours. But see you later. It's really not often that you can find a place so incredible that it makes you want to stay inside for an entire day. But the West Edmonton Mall is that place. After these 24 hours, I can clearly see that the Mega Mall was built to provide a haven from those brutal northern Albertan winters. And I hope that this video has done the same for you. Our lives are naturally built to be fast-paced, go, go, go. But today was an opportunity to be a kid again. A gentle reminder to always make time for your mental health no matter where you find yourself in this world. As this experience finishes, the next episode of Sprouht will be a complete 180. I'll be spending 2 nights in a trapper's tent on an indigenous southern Albertan ranch. And it'll be my final episode before heading to province 10 out of 10 on this cross-Canada journey, British Columbia. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you want to see more cross-Canadian adventures and stories like this, make sure to subscribe because I got a lot more coming up. I'm Will, and as always, it's a mindset.